So here's the cabin. If you get the cabin, you get that pasture over there, which is pretty nice. Otherwise, if you get a site like us, you get box stalls. This is 3 Reasons Farm. Hey, crazy lady! She's dancing. So we made it to camp.
There you go.
And here's Daddy's horse, Spirit. Hey, Spirit. And here's mine. Oh, we gotta take her halter off. Hey, you. Yeah, happy girl. She's not impressed by their honking, huh, Hope? This place is looking gorgeous. Look at these babes. So beautiful. So beautiful. So everyone left me here because I had stuff I had to do, aka a meeting. It's over with now, and now I'm by myself. I'm feeling so crazy. But anyways, so here's Hope. Hope dopey dope. Hi. Did you get your nose? Oh, get your nose in there? Get it in? Eat it? Hi, stinker. I know. I should braid your hair tonight because we're by ourselves. Maybe I'll do that, huh? You're a good girl. So today's day 1. Excited to get out of here tomorrow and get on the trails. It's supposed to be gorgeous weather. We're down in Hocking Hills at 3 Reasons Farm. It's a little picnic table, and it does have a little bench over there. You can kind of see the wooden bench, and it has that pasture. You can see way over there. Some of our friends' horses are already in it. You get that little, like, I think it's a 2-acre pasture to your horses if you rent this. But let me take you on a tour real quick, since you know, what else do I got to do? This is the inside. That is noisy. There's bedroom here. Don't tell Kathy and Patty, but here's a bedroom in here. I didn't show you. And then you got a fridge, got all your stuff, sink, thing, couch. There's a TV behind that over there. Recliner. Ooh, this is dark. Hold on. Light. Toilet. Shower's over there. Shower's a little dark. I don't know why, after so many years, she hasn't put a light in here, but the shower needs a light above it. I can tell you, I've showered in that over the years. It needs a light. So, yeah. Pretty nice. I got a fire pit. Get outside. And, got a little cooking grill. And yeah, ain't too bad, really. Good, beautiful place. And let me tell you, the sunrises and stuff out here, top notch, yo. Top notch. So yeah, pretty happy. Hopefully we'll be riding, and then we'll see some of the trails. So enjoy. Hey everyone. So I, was left by myself here, kind of by choice. But, when you're camping with friends, you can't help but have a little fun. So Miss Patty and Miss Crazy Lady, aka Kathy, are staying in this room. And I thought I'd mess with them a little bit. So when you first open the door, I did a little redecoration. I gave them a little spidey, hung some things from their wall, and I gave them a mobile. You know, I think that's really nice of me, giving them a mobile. They could go to sleep with that. It's really relaxing, kind of calming. Anyways, so I imagine Kathy will eventually find this little surprise. But I put some stuff there. It's a paper plate all cut up so it feels like a Spidey. So when she goes to try and turn her light on, it's going to catch her and scare her. At least that's my hope. I don't know. We'll see if any of this works. They might think I'm an idiot. I think it's hilarious. I'm quite proud of myself. So yeah. Let me know. Do you guys do a little pranking when you're horse camping? Do you like to mess with each other? 'Cause I do. Woo! I think they're coming. We gotta stage this now. Yeah.
Why? What are you gonna do?
Just ask it.
Don't you be bad.
I'm not bad.
You got that look on your face.
I guess you got bored. Oh my god, I've been waiting all night. I'm like, no fucking to open that goddamn door.
I just went in there to put my purse in there, and I was like,
Pretty damn. Yes, I was going a little cray-cray.
I'm gonna make bacon and eggs. Okay.
I forgot you put this in.
What the fuck?